Hello, welcome to the channel. Are you traveling to an English-speaking country and worried about how to book a taxi without getting lost in translation? This informative video breaks down the essential phrases you need to confidently book a taxi or an Uber.
Hello, is that ABC Cab?
Yes, how can I help you?
It is Peter Williams. Can you come to pick me up tomorrow morning?
Of course I can. At what time?
In the early morning, at 6 o'clock.
Where do you want me to take you?
To the airport?
Okay, and your address?
My address is Galvin Street 2/4.
Thanks, I will be there.
Great, please don't be late.
For sure I won't. See you tomorrow at 6 o'clock.
Sure.
Now we will cover essential phrases and vocabulary for requesting a taxi or an Uber, as well as communication phrases for interacting with passengers who are ordering a taxi. I highly recommend utilizing the drilling method. It's effective to repeat each phrase twice after hearing it. Could you send a taxi to? Could you send a taxi to? Adding the location from which you want the taxi to pick you up. Could you take me to? Could you take me to? How long will it take to get there? How long will it take to get there? Do you use a meter? Do you use a meter? How much would that cost? How much would that cost? I would like to book a taxi, please. I would like to book a taxi, please. I would like to book a cab, please. I would like to book a cab, please. I would like to book an Uber, please. I would like to book an Uber, please. I want to book a cab to the airport. I want to book a cab to the airport. I want to book a taxi to the airport. I want to book a taxi to the airport. I want a comfortable and clean car. I want a comfortable and clean car. If you enjoy learning from my videos, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. I'll be grateful. Here are some essential phrases from a taxi driver's perspective. They can help you interact with your customers and improve your English skills if you work as a taxi or Uber driver.
Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? Where will I drive you to? Where will I drive you to? What is your destination? What is your destination? How many people are traveling? How many people are traveling? Do you have a lot of luggage? Do you have a lot of luggage? How many pieces of luggage do you have? How many pieces of luggage do you have? Do you want a small or a big car? Do you want a small or a big car? Would you prefer AC or non-AC car? Would you prefer AC or non-AC car? What time should I come for you? What time should I come for you? What time do you want me to be there? What time do you want me to be there? Would you like me to bring you back? Would you like me to bring you back? The fare will be around $20 depending on traffic. The fare will be around $20 depending on traffic. We accept both cash and card payments. We accept both cash and card payments.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.